Your life ends here, demon!
Finally, a battle worthy of... Bro, what? Am I hallucinating?
Huh? What did you see? My sword? My glory?
No, shut up. Look!
Sweet holy polygons! My eyes are feasting on digital sorcery. It's beautiful!
Keep your voice down. We are witnessing the great jiggle. How did you make that jiggle? This is not normal human physics. Spill it.
Sure, let's see how it was done. If the parts you want to jiggle doesn't have bones, then you need to rig them in Blender. This model was rigged in Mixamo, but we need to add hair and breast bones. Here, the armature has a person icon, and the mesh is the triangle icon. Individual bones have, well, the bone icon. Very creative, Blender. Select the armature and go to the Data tab, Enable in Front, so you can see the bones through the mesh, and you know what you're doing with that. Press Shift and A to add a new bone, and I also write it here for you. You can use S to scale and G to move the bone. To rotate it, use R. Select all sections of the new bone, press G, and move it into the hair. Duplicate and put it on the other side. To duplicate a bone, use Shift D. Now you need to parent the bones so they move when their parent moves, like little minions. Click on the bone, then shift-click on the bone you want to consider as the parent. Press Ctrl P, keep offset. Do the same thing for the others. If you go to pose mode and rotate the parent's bone, all the child bone move. You can add more bones if you want even more wiggle physics. Now we have to connect the bones to the mesh. Select your mesh, press Ctrl Tab, choose Weight Paint. But there's an issue. If you go to Vertex Group in the Object Data Properties tab to select new bones, you won't see them. So find those bone names then in Vertex Group, click the plus icon and type the name of the new bones. Now select each one from the Vertex Group list and paint the area around it. Now, if I go to pose mode and move each hair bone, that part of the hair moves. This model's hair is attached to the body, so it's a bit sticky. Ew. Do the same thing for breasts. Add one bone coming out of the spine, and then for each breast, one bone comes out of that. You need to re-import the character to Mixamo again if you previously used that for body animation. Remember that bringing your character into Mixamo doesn't have anything to do with this tutorial. I just said that because I guess that you might have used that. Now bring your character into Unity. For dynamic bone, add EZSoftBone, which is free to your project. You can use it to simulate hair, tails, breast, cloth, and other soft parts. Select the character, in Add Component, choose EZSoftBone. Look for hair bone parent, which was the head bone, and drag it into the first slot, the root bone. If you go to play mode and move her, the hair automatically moves as well. Instant shampoo chemical physics. Now the breast. Add the breast parent bone too. They jiggle as well. But if you leave it like that, some problems might happen. For example, the breast may fade or stretch weirdly. So in the material setting, there are 4 types like normal, soft, hard, demo. I select normal. There are also sliders to control damping, stiffness, resistance, and slackness, which are self-explanatory. Play with those values to get the best results. I think this is good.
Can you make my cape jiggle too?
Shut up, no one is interested in your stupid, boring cape.